we're going to be, I'm currently in a trade right now, so I just wanted to go live on here. So I'm live trading gold right now. So I'll share my screen with you guys. Currently in a sell right now. So we'll see how this plays out. I'll let Instagram know real quick. Morning, Trading Gang. Good morning. Just wanted to let you guys know I'm currently in a sell position on gold. I'm currently live on my YouTube as well, so if you guys want to pop on there, you guys are more than welcome to show some love in the chat. You can see right now we're actually live. So if you guys want to pop on my YouTube live, link is in the bio. All right, peace, guys. All right, so we're just going to see how this trade is going to play out. So looks like we got a rejection wick. So we tapped into a previous area of resistance right here. So we're going to see if it's going to continue to push up. So see if we get stopped out or not, but I'm sticking to my trade. You guys can see here, I'm looking for 1 to 4, almost a 1 to 5 risk to reward. Trying to target this 30-minute demand zone down here. So we've been trying to see if it's going to reject this daily high. So which I'm hoping it does. So just gotta wait and see. But throw a comment down below if you guys have any questions. So we'll see how this plays out. So of course, TP1 is going to be here. One. So TP1 is going to be right here, as its previous low, so its previous support right here. And then I could say we have some areas right here. So we have a support area right here, support area right here. Then of course my main target was right here. So I could even target this 30-minute demand here. So, but this would be TP1. T2 would be right here. I don't get stopped. Obviously. So we got TP2 here. T3. And then TP4. TP4 I'll put here. we go. So, but see if I don't get stopped out first. So, but I set my risk management. So, taking out 3 contracts on here. So I'm risking $411 to make $1,900. So that is the goal. So almost 1 to 5 risk to reward. But let's see if we don't get stopped out. It's been ranging in this daily high right here. So of course, see we've gone up, gone down, came back up, came down, came back up. So we're gonna see if it's gonna respect it. We've got a minute left on the 5 minute. Because I know it's ranging. We're kind of consolidated here. So we will see what happens. I'm currently $220 in drawdown right now. We could have a nice rejection here. And it just pushes down. $40 to candle closes. I kind of like that rejection wick right there. I like that. 24 seconds. Give me a nice push to the downside. So if it does hit my TP4, I'll actually make it a 1 to 5. So I'll be actually profiting $2,100, $2,154. But it looks like it's pushing up. So we have to see if it's going to close bearish. So I hit one, so I might get stopped out here. So if it pushes through, then more likely the bulls are in play. The bulls have it. It looks like I might get stopped out. Yeah, like 1 tick away. It's crazy. It's literally like, there we go. Yeah, there we go. We got stopped out. Got stopped out. So that means these are invalid. So I'm gonna take a quick picture of this. Do this for my journal. Yeah, that's I took a loss of $426. It's crazy. It's my first red day. My first red day in a while. Since last week or since Friday. Okay. So I could take another trade. So, because I mean, this pretty much gave me validation that it's going to continue to push up. So let's go for a buy position. So I'm going to target this high right here. So stop loss is going to be pretty tight. It's only going to give me like a 1 to 2. So, but this one I might risk a little bit less. So only 2 contracts, I'm risking $200, so that'll put me at $600. So, well, I can risk 8. Yeah, that's okay. So we're gonna take a buy. Let's see if we'll push down a little bit. We get a better price. So it actually pushes down here. We'll actually get a 1 to 3, which would be nice. And, might get triggered in here. Trying to move this. Oh, okay, so we got triggered in. All right, so we'll record this next trade. So it's always good to journal your guys' trades, guys. My last trade of the day. My rules, I only take 2 trades a day. I'm gonna buy here. So that's why, like, when you have risk management, you can be able to get into another trade even though your trade didn't go the right way. So of course the goal here is to, of course, make up our loss, but also make a little bit of profit. So we're up 55. So we got a nice push up here. You guys can see my P&L also. So you guys can't see my P&L. Let me move that. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, there you go. You guys can see that. All right, so we're 65 ticks in profit, so $200. So we made back half of what we lost. We may even push a little bit higher, but I'm just looking for a 1 to 3. Nothing crazy. Just a nice 1 to 3. For $162 in profit. Um, so we'll see if this plays out. Because it might pull back a little bit. I think because of how this started this morning, I feel like it's going to continue to push up. So we'll see how this plays out. So it's still $108 in profit, 114. We just need a big push up. So what do I look to make on here? So 855. So I'll not only cover my loss, but I'll also make a little bit of profit. So I'm gonna move this over here a little bit. So let's see if it's going to continue to push up. Got 3 minutes left on the 5 minute candle. Ball's moving a little slow today. So we do have news coming up. At 8 o'clock, we have FOMC meeting minutes. So I was trying to be out of my trade before then. I don't know what direction it's going to push it towards because I know there's going to be some news and it could either push it down or push it up. I would be happy that it would push it up. We got to see how this is going to play out right here. We'll see. Just tapped into my entry. So we got 30 seconds on the 5 minute. We got 10 seconds. Might just be a small program. So let's see if it closes bullish. Looks like it's closed bullish. Looks like it's closed bullish. Good. Minor pullbacks are okay because it's just a propulsion of pushing up even more. So we'll see how it plays out. I'll be right back, guys. back. So I don't know. We got a strong rejection candle. Don't know if it looks good. Just gotta trust our analysis and just let it ride. I think you can push up to 31.24 where our takeoff is. We have a new candle, so I printed a doji. This is usually a good sign for continuation. But we'll see. So we're getting a rejection. This is what we want to see. Two minutes left in 5 minutes. If it's pushing further down, let's see if it respects this area. Because I put my stop loss below kind of a resist or a support area right here. So like typically my support area would be like down here a little bit further, but I'm keeping my stop loss tight because I have it right at a previous level of resistance here. So I'm hoping it respects it. So obviously it looks like it's not. It pushes down even further. Looks like we might take 2 L's for the day. So, but again, we just gotta let it play out. So yeah, 40 seconds to 5-minute closes. So this is just part of the pullback. When it pushes back up. We need to close bullish. So there we go. So it looks like we're closing bullish. So we got to give it at least 30 seconds. There we go. 17 ticks, 15 ticks. Need a nice push up. You know, 13 ticks. Yeah, push up. We got 15 minutes until 8 o'clock. We have FOMC meeting minutes. I'm hoping if I do stay in this trade that it at 8 o'clock pushes gold up. Let's see, it's battle of the Bears and the Bulls right now. Okay. 5 ticks, 1 tick, almost in the profit. Looks like we're rejecting. It doesn't look good. Got a rejection candle. It looks like it wants to continue to push down. Yep. Looks like it wants to start pushing down. So, which I get it. It's going to take liquidity and probably take all this out. So, because I have an indicator here for like time frames. So all of London's session, of course, it consolidated, came up, came back down, and pulled back up. So it could continue to push back up, or it's going to take liquidity and take all this out, or it goes back up. So we just have to see. But I have a really tight stop loss. So my stop loss is only 82 ticks. So usually I'm usually around 100 and something. So, but I also have to minimize my risk. So I don't want to lose more than $800. So I stick to my trade. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I take that loss. But this is how you have risk management. You don't move your stop loss to give it more room. You set it where you set it at, and that's it. If you get stopped out, you take the loss. If it hits your take profit, then you profit. So I hit that daily high again, daily high, previous daily high zone. So we're just going to see if it's going to take me out. Okay. About to get stopped out, guys. Yep, one tick away. Yep. There we go, guys. Got stopped out. Looks like again it's going to take liquidity and take out all this. All right, guys. Well, so we took a loss of $679.72. So not too bad. I did give myself an $800 grace. So, but that's okay. Took a $679 loss. So I'm gonna end this stream here. But appreciate you guys watching me live. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys don't mind. And stay tuned for other videos and another live. All right, have a great day, guys. Peace.